Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Returning baby chicks is at the discretion of the manager at individual stores. As a general rule, TSC will work with you if you take home a baby chick that gets sick or dies shortly thereafter. 10 August 2020.
Take our lead.
Items that are essential to start raising backyard chickens include starter kits, feeders, bedding, heat bulbs and lamps, and coops. Ducks are also available during the live chick days. The baby chicks range in price from $1.99. 4 May 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Most baby chicks don't die from illness, lack of food or dehydration, but are far more likely to die from being cold. A 70 degrees barn, garage or home is too cold for them. They need mama hen temperature, which is much warmer. 26 February 2016.
Take our lead.
But we wouldn't be able to sleep at night if our hatchery engaged in those practices. The majority of the baby chicks that aren't adopted are offered up for auction near our hatching facility. A portion of the unsold chicks are humanely euthanized, and we are continuously looking for better alternatives.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.